apps affairs show you.
How to fix Instagram music notes not showing. So if you are not getting the notes option or music option in notes, here's how to fix it. The first solution is you have to update your Instagram app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see any update available, then make sure to update the Instagram app. Once done, go to your Instagram application, go to your profile page, tap on this menu icon, tap on settings and privacy. Here scroll down and tap on messages and story replies and tap on show activity status and make sure to enable show activity status option. Once done, completely close the Instagram app and then relaunch the Instagram app on your phone. And after that, tap on the message icon at the top right and tap on note. And now here you will get the music icon. Now you can easily add a music to your note. So this is how we can fix Instagram music notes not showing issue. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.